Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be doing another video in my Shop Local series, and today I'm going to be reviewing a subscription service that is available for us here in TNT. It is the Body by Mia candle subscription box. So I came across the Instagram page after following Anastasia Mutu on Instagram, and she was reviewing some of their products that she had purchased from the brand. And if you know me, you know I absolutely love candles. I think you can never have too many candles. I love the way your home smells when a candle is burning. So I was immediately intrigued to check them out. And I went to their Instagram page and subscribed to the box service. So today I'm just going to go through that and let you guys know my actual thoughts and if I think it was worth the sign or not. Yeah, so if you want to see that, then definitely keep watching. So when you go to their Instagram page, which is Body by Mia on Instagram, you can look through their available products that they have. They have from reed diffusers to car diffusers to candles, to little accessories to bath items, etc. But their main thing is that they provide a candle service, and they even have another line that you could customize the outside of the candles. So if you want to put your name or your logo, etc. For example, if you have a business place that you want a particular scent for and you want the candle to look streamlined, you can even do that. They offer those kind of services. But the service that I was actually interested in was their subscription service. So on their actual page, there's a link that takes you to their website that you can then go ahead and go through the process to get the subscription. The way I did it was that I directly messaged the page, and the page manager, which is Amanda, responded to me and then gave me some options and told me what was available from them, and then sent me the link to fill out the questionnaire. So you get a questionnaire, like I said, and you fill in the items, and then they curate the boxes according to what you ticked off in your questionnaire. So the questionnaire basically gives, obviously, demographic information: your name, your number, your address, and then it goes a little bit deeper and gives you your scent profile. So there is a section that gives pre-made scents that you tick all the ones that are applicable to you or the ones that you like. There's a section underneath that part that allows you to put in scents that you absolutely cannot stand, which I think is really important because most candles or most subscription services that provide scent profile things doesn't take into account scents that you do not like. And so I like the fact that it had that section for you to put in your dislikes and for them to not add those types of scents to your subscription service, which means that obviously the subscription is going to be more geared to what you actually like and makes it more curated for your preferences. And as a result, you can enjoy the subscription a lot more because you're going to absolutely most likely love everything that's available in the subscription. They have two types of subscription services available. One is the 6-month one and one is the 12-month one, and you get a box curated to you every month for that period that you subscribe for. Each month costs $220, but the thing is, with this subscription service, you have to pay for the full service in advance. If you pick the 6-month option, you have to come up with $13.20, or the yearly one or 12-month one, you have to come up with $26.40. That is something to keep in mind if you are subscribing to the box, that you have to pay in full for the subscription service and it's not a month-by-month payment method. And as a result, you also cannot skip months because you've already paid for them in advance, and it comes with an 8-ounce candle or an equivalent. So you can get smaller candles, smaller 4-ounce candles that make up an 8-ounce candle, or just some sort of equivalent to an 8-ounce candle, and then you have supporting accessories, linen sprays, room sprays, any sort of complementary item to the main thing, which is the 8-ounce candle for the month. The box is delivered between the 1st and 3rd day of the month. Payment options available would be via credit card through their website, which is available in a link in their description on their Instagram page, or you can do an online bank transfer. Shipment is available worldwide, so if you don't live in Trinidad but you are interested in subscribing, then that's a great option because you can subscribe to them and have it shipped to you internationally, which I really liked as well. So when you get the box, it comes in this little black box with their Body by Mia logo on it, and you get your stuff inside of it. So I just cut the little ribbon that was keeping the box closed, and inside you receive your items. As soon as I open this box, I get hit with whatever scent is present in these candles. So that's a good sign that the candle is so strongly scented that as soon as I open, I can smell it. And you get your stuff inside of here. So for this month, let's see. So I got a large 8-ounce candle. It says Hello Beautiful on the front, and this is the one that smells, sorry for that really freaky sniffing episode, but yeah, this one is the scent that I'm getting as soon as I open the box, and it smells like pink grapefruit, which is a scent that I absolutely love, because in my scent profile I ticked fruity scents as something that I really like. So pink grapefruit is something that I love the smell of, and it smells so good. I can't wait to burn this candle and let you guys know how it smells as it burns and how it has the entire house smelling. Can't get enough. I love the way it smells. The next item available in here is a smaller candle. It's a 4-ounce candle, and on the front says Live, Love and Laugh. And this one is in the scent Prosecco. Smells really good as well. Prosecco is one of those scents that you can't really describe. I mean, I don't even know if that's really what Prosecco smells like, but it smells really nice and I like how it smells. And I really like these small candles because I think they are like options that you can use for like in your bathroom area where you don't necessarily have a large counter space to dedicate to candles as per se in your bedroom or your living room. These small candles come in handy for spaces like that where you want to have the scent of a candle but you don't have the large real estate available to place a large candle such as this one. So I really like candles like these because I think that you can use them in more spaces in your home where you might not normally be able to use a larger candle. And the last item in here is something called bath dust. Add some fizz to your day. I've never actually heard of bath dust, but what I think it is, it's basically a deconstructed bath bomb, but instead it's in a dust form, and I guess you could put it into your bath and it should do more or less the same thing. Not too sure what's the scent on this one. It doesn't have a scent label anywhere, but it smells very bath-like. I don't know what else to describe it as. It's not like any particular scent that I can identify, but it does smell like bath time. So I'm really excited about that because I love taking baths. I love adding bath bombs to my bath because I think it makes it so fun, and especially if it's going to fizz up and make bubbles, then why not? So I love that, and I think it's a really cute addition because baths and candles go hand in hand, so I'm excited for that part of it as well. So those were all the things that I got in this month, which is the July box. And I love these two candles and I love the bath dust. So what are my final thoughts on this subscription service? I like the fact that I am not sure what I'm getting each month because it's like a little surprise gift that I can give myself each month. And I like the fact that I don't have to be necessarily reminded to pay for my gift each month because then it feels more like a gift. Yeah. Some people might not really like the fact that you have to pay in advance for the full subscription service, and I get that because then you have to come up with the full amount that may be a little bit difficult to fit into your budget depending on your situation. So I can get that part of it, and maybe they should have an option where you can pay by monthly quotas. But I could also, you don't have to like think about paying for a subscription that month. You could just receive a gift and be happy because you don't actually have to see the money come out at that point in time because it's already gone. No? Yeah, maybe just me. But I like that part of it. The fact that I get a gift every month for myself and technically I'm not seeing the payment coming out each month. But yeah, I really liked the two candles that I received. I think they smell really great and I can't wait to burn them. I love candles. I think they are amazing, and I love the fact that I now have a subscription service where I get a new candle that I'm not sure what it's going to be each month. In terms of the cost of it, I think it's reasonably priced, and I think the scent smells very, very strong, that you could burn and get like a significant smell from it. But sometimes you can get a candle and you have to like really, really wait for the scent to spread and smell. And like I said, when I opened this box, I immediately could tell one of the candles smelled really, really strong, and I like that part of it. I don't think the subscription is really expensive. I think that depending on what you get each month can justify the amount of money you're actually paying for it. So yeah, I think it's worth it, mainly because I really, really love candles. I like the fact that you can curate the box personally to you, because you can tell them what scents you do absolutely love and what scents you aren't so hot on. So I like that aspect of it. The service from the page was really, really amazing. The girl took time out of her day to message me, give me examples, sent me pictures, spoke with me, tried to find out what exactly I was looking for. So I like that aspect. And once again, she was very professional and prompt in her responses. Would I recommend? Yes. If you are somebody who's into stuff like this, where you get to like get new scents, new candles, you love bath fragrances, you like reed diffusers, then it's something you can check out. It can also be a really, really nice gift for someone. If it is you are looking to gift someone something amazing, why not give them a 6-month subscription to an amazing service such as this one, where they get little gifts throughout the year from you. I hope you enjoyed my video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, give me your thoughts. If you think this is a really nice service, if you don't think it's a really nice service, what your thoughts are on the payment method, what your thoughts are on the candles. If you're already subscribed, what did you think about this box this month? Were you satisfied? Were you happy? Give me your thoughts. I really like interacting with you guys. So until next time, guys, bye!